We have all been there. You spend hours coding a great IoT project, only to be stuck looking at raw data on a laptop screen. It takes away that smart home feel when you cannot just glance at a wall or a desk to see your sensors in action. That is where a compact integrated display can make a difference. The ESP32-2432S024 is an all-in-one module that brings a 2.4-inch touchscreen together with the processing power of an ESP32, which is a popular choice for many connected projects. What I appreciate about this board is the simplicity. You get the ILI9341 driver and the touch interface built in, which saves you from dealing with the typical wiring spaghetti that happens when you try to connect a separate screen to a microcontroller. Since it features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you are essentially getting a mini computer that can both fetch data from your network and act as a control panel. It is a very practical way to centralize your IoT data. Imagine having this on your desk displaying live temperature data or controlling your smart lights. Because it is a touchscreen, you can create actual menus, making your project feel like a finished product rather than just a breadboard prototype. This is really for the maker who wants to level up their Arduino-based projects. If you are comfortable with coding and want a polished look for your home automation system, this module is a solid, focused piece of hardware to consider. Before you dive in, just be sure to check the dimensions. At 2.4 inches, it is great for small dashboards, but it might be too compact if you are trying to display complex charts or a lot of text at once. At around $16, it is an accessible entry point. I always recommend verifying the library compatibility for the ILI9341 driver in your specific environment to ensure it aligns with your coding workflow before purchasing. It is a practical, no-nonsense module that solves a very specific problem. It is not going to replace a full tablet, but for dedicated IoT tasks, it provides that clean, interactive experience that really brings a project to life. If this looks like it fits your current build, I suggest checking the latest price and comparing the specs to your needs. It could be a great way to add that extra layer of polish to your next project.